The topic is outsourcing and its impact on the external audit. When certain functions of an organization are contracted out to the third parties, known as service organization. So, service organization, there is a word that need to be clear, a term that need to be clear, that is service organization. Service organization is when a certain function of an entity is contracted out to a third party, known as service organization. Now, outsourcing and its impact on audit. It's very common for a client to outsource a function or an activity. However, the function outsourced could be important to the auditor in the audit of financial statement, and the auditor should carefully plan the audit of a client which has outsourced a function to a service organization. So there will be a planning difference between those clients that are outsourcing their function and those that are not. So auditor need to be very careful when they are planning an audit of a client that is outsourcing its function or activities. The relevant standard provide guidance to audit firm on the conduct of an audit where client has outsourced a function. So ISO 402, International Standards of Auditing, 402, Entity Use of Service Organization. The standard require entity auditor to perform extra procedures on service organization if the entity has outsourced a business function. So these are the extra procedures on service organization. There are 4 procedures that need to be done. There are: first, visit the service organization; second, obtain information from the service organization; third, perform test of control at service organization; and fourth, determine the extent of substantive procedure based on the result of test of controls. So 4 procedures that need to be done on the service organization is: first, visit the service organization; obtain the information from service organization; third, test of control; and fourth, on the basis of test of control, plan the extent of substantive procedures. So there is another topic that is part of the same topic, that is ISAE 3402, Assurance on Control at Service Organization. Further, the entity auditor can take assurance on control from the service organization auditor if service organization has an auditor. Means, if service organization have their own auditor, so we can take assurance on the control rather than performing test of control. Auditor can take assurance from the service organization's auditor. Secondly, the assurance report on the control from the service organization auditor can be a type 1 or a type 2 report based on the request from entity's auditor. So what are type 1 and type 2? Type 1 report is an assurance on the control structure and overall design. Control structures, overall control structure and overall design. And the type 2 report is an assurance on control structure, design, and their operational effectiveness. So type 2 report is a better and more a good source of evidence, because now we are getting based on their operational effectiveness. In type 1 we are only getting their structure and their design, but in type 2 we are getting structure, design, and plus what is the most important, their effectiveness. So this is the outsourcing and its impact. You are familiar with the outsourcing, but we are discussing here is outsourcing and its impact on external auditor. So auditor need to carefully, firstly, the summary is auditor need to carefully plan the audit of a client that is outsourcing any of its function. Second, there are procedures that need to be done, that are visit service organization, obtain information. Third is perform test of control on the basis, and fourth, on the basis of test of control, plan the extent of substantive. And There is other option that you can coordinate. Instead of going to and testing the control, you can take assurance of control from service organizations auditor and request type 1 or type 2 report.